Okay, so kitchen's a bit of a mess. I'm sorry. I'm going to show you what my friend the smoker did today. So Donovan wanted burnt ends. So I took the tip, just the tip, sliced it off, covered it in honey and sriracha. So there's our burnt ends. This is never ending. So we talked about the turkey. Let's talk turkey wings. 1, 2, 3. Let's talk turkey legs. Ren, fair, throat, back, mother, fuck. 1. Go. 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5. You can't beat a good turkey leg. 6. Oh, hiding underneath. What is this? Another wing. So now, the best of poultry meat by far is the thigh. It is the most versatile. So what do we got? We got turkey thighs. 1 and 2. 3. And 4. You cannot have a good smoking party without baby backs. So, half a slab with chipotle. Half a slab Jamaican jerk. Half a slab lemon pepper. And a half a slab of it's, oh my God, if it's spicy, it's going on here. You see what we got going on here? It gets better. Who put another turkey leg down here? If you're smoking a whole smoker full of meat, you gotta do a nice spicy whole chicken. Why waste the time on a smoker without doing a whole chicken? Pièce de résistance. The whole reason we are here tonight. We talked about the burnt ends. You know those came from somewhere. Here is the other 6 ounce of 6 hours smoked brisket. I might slice this for you. I might eat it for you, see it again. I don't know, we'll see. That's a big, pretty piece of meat. Jeremy, you know you want some of that. So, that's what I did with my day. What'd you do with yours?